Okay, so something just fell into my lap and I'm gonna let you guys see what it's all about. But this is gonna be a hot video. Burning up. And I'm all out of puns. M&M's in my throat. Oh, man. So, here's what happened. I get a phone call from a friend slash family member who says, hey man, I have a potential motorcycle that we could really work on and I need your help. And I said, oh, I am in fact, as you can tell, all ears. So I went ahead and I looked at this bike just the other day and here is what I saw. Roll tape. So what we got here is a 2007 Suzuki GSXR 600. You know, it's had better days apparently. You're looking at the good side here because it has apparently been on fire for a good 4 to 5 minutes. That's what the ugly side looks like, and it doesn't look pretty over here. The bike is low mileage and in otherwise okay condition as far as mechanical rolling shape is concerned, but I'm not sure about the engine. What's probably going to happen is that myself and a close family member of mine are probably going to take this off of the guy's hands. We're going to need all new brake lines, we're going to need throttle cables, we're going to need clutch cable, we're going to need probably ignition switch, we're going to need a new wiring harness, we're going to need an entirely new gauge cluster, we're going to need a subframe up on the front is okay. Seems to be. It is aluminum. It's not going to bust. So headlights are going to have to go. What it's likely is that this is going to end up as a track bike if we do take it, because track fairings are a lot less than finding headlights and wiring and all that stuff. It looks like some damage to the forks on the outer tube. We don't know about anything else, so the forks will get a rebuild because you don't want rubber parts getting hot. It needs a new radiator for sure. That's toast. And then the cause of the fire, we're not really sure. He said that it made a backfire, which could be called an after fire, if you know what you're talking about. And what that can kind of lead me to believe is that he dropped the top end of the bike and it just started fire, which can lead to bigger things and then eventually can lead to smoke and poo-poo. Not a good day. I don't know why I keep eating these things. Hold on. It looks like we're going to be tearing down completely, and building everything. I mean everything that we can on this Gixxer 600. So, we're going to call this Project Gixxer Fixer. I'm sorry. Project Fixer of the Gixxer does not sound good, but Gixxer Fixer sounds good. GSXR 600 2007, it has been completely burned to a crisp. Now, the thing that we're not sure of is the guy that was riding the bike, he said that it went pop, it backfired or something like that. I'm not sure if that means technically what comes out of when it goes out the tailpipe, it's an after fire. A backfire would come up through the intake. That's irrelevant. So I'm not sure exactly what he heard or what he experienced. All he knows is that it started fire. Now, based on where the fire is located, I would think it came up from under the tank. And that would mean that he may have dropped a top end. It could have ignited something. We're going to have to find out. So there's going to be a lot of melted plastic we're going to be getting off of this thing. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that there may be some engine issues if this thing was to ignite the way that the guy said that it did. So follow us on this journey. Smash that like button and subscribe because there's going to be a whole lot of stuff going on with this bike. Going to make this a big series. It's going to be a long journey with the GSXR 600 build, and we're not sure what we're going to do with it yet. Maybe a track bike build, maybe a street bike, but we're just going to have to find out. You're just going to have to find out. We don't even know. So, all right, that's it for now. We'll be back very soon. Start a teardown and assessment on this beast. Oh my God, this is really gonna happen. Cannot wait. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. See you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like, hit the sub, hit the sub. Thanks for subbing. We'll see you soon. Bye.